Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many Gmail users face: recovering deleted emails. Whether you accidentally deleted an important message or you just want to clear out your cluttered inbox, I'm here to guide you through the process. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about how to delete emails in Gmail. It's a straightforward process, but it's important to note that once you delete an email, it goes to the trash bin folder and stays there for 30 days before being permanently deleted. To delete an email, simply select the message by clicking on the checkbox next to it. You can select multiple emails at once if you want. Once selected, click on the bin icon, which resembles a trash bin. And just like that, your email is moved to the bin folder. Now, what if you realize that you've made a mistake and need to recover a deleted email? Don't worry, Gmail has got you covered. To recover an email from the bin folder, simply navigate to the bin folder by clicking on the menu on the left side of your Gmail interface. Once you're in the bin folder, select the email or emails you want to recover by clicking on the checkboxes. After selecting, click on the three dots icon on top right corner and click Move icon, and choose the desired location where you want to move the email. It can be your inbox or any other folder you've created. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. And don't forget to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.